Morning class 4th chapter number 3 reproduction in animals. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture life cycle of insect and we have discussed also life cycle of a fish. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss life cycle of amphibians. So student, let's start. Okay, what are the amphibians, student? Yes, those animals live on land as well as in water are called amphibian. For example, frog. So, student, now we will discuss the life cycle of a frog. Student, if we talk about amphibian, frog frog lay eggs in the water. You can see, and you know the frog eggs appears as a large cluster of jelly-like substance called spawn. You can see this diagram also. This is the diagram of our life cycle. So if we talk about the amphibian frog lays egg in the water, and their eggs appear as a large cluster. Cluster means group of a jelly-like substances. They appear as a group, more than 4 or 5, and more can be more than 10 also. So they appear as a large cluster. Cluster means group of jelly like substance called spawn. And when the egg hatched, what will happen? We have discussed many life cycle. So student, when the eggs hatch, the baby frog emerge out is called tadpole. You can see this tadpole. This is the baby frog. Okay. So when the eggs hatch, the baby frogs called tadpoles emerge. And now you can comparison with the young frog. So it is totally different from the adult frog. So student, you can see this tadpole, this tiny tadpole has a long tail, but when you see the adult frog, you cannot see the tail also here. So this is the difference between the baby frog and adult frog. Baby frog has the tail, a long tail, and frog do not have the tails. So what is the function of this tail in a tadpole? Yes student, this long tail help the tadpole to swim in the water, because the frogs lay egg in the water, and when the egg hatched out, the baby frog comes out from the egg and they swim in the water. So when they swim in the water, this long tail help the tiny tadpole. And you know, like the fish, this tiny tadpole has the gills. Now what is the function of the gills? To breathe in the water. So the gills to breathe in the water. Okay, now student, when the tadpole grows, so what will happen? The tail of the tadpole becomes shorter till it disappear. Understand what I am saying? When this tiny tadpole begins to grow, this tail becomes shorter. This tail becomes shorter till it disappear, and you know its gills also become smaller and are slowly replaced by the lungs. This gills converted into the lungs, and when the frog is fully developed, it moves on the land. So how many stages are present in the frog? 4 stages. 1, 2, 3, 4. So tiny tadpole have the long tail to swim and gills to breathe in the water. And when the tadpole grows, जब ये बड़ा हो जाता है baby frog, so tail becomes shorter and it disappear, and gills converted into the lungs. And when the frog is fully developed, it moves on the land. Okay, so there is a process when the tiny tadpole change into the adult frog. You can see this life cycle when the tadpole convert into the young ones, this process is called metamorphosis. Okay, so this process, when the young ones, you can say the changing of the young ones into completely different looking adult. You can say the tadpole is totally different from the adult frog. This process is known as the metamorphosis. So you can underline this real word. The process of changing of a young one into a completely different looking adult is called metamorphosis. Okay, students. Now, student, we will discuss life cycle of our reptiles. So there are some reptiles. They are the snake, lizard, crocodile, tortoise, turtles. You know, most reptiles lay egg on land. And if we talk about snake, snake lay egg in a hole in the ground. And while crocodile and turtle lay egg near the river bank. And I think you have seen the egg of the lizard or egg of the crocodiles. So student, egg of the some reptile have hard shell and some have the soft shell. So what are the example of the reptile? Snake, lizard, crocodile, tortoise, turtles. So you can underline, student, most reptiles lay egg on land. If we talk about the snake, lay egg in the hole in the ground. Crocodile and turtle lay egg near the river bank. And egg of the some reptile have hard shell and some have the soft shell. There is also the four stages are present in the life cycle of a crocodile. You can see first female lay egg and then the hatching is going on and then the baby crocodile is comes out from the eggs, and then this molting also, this baby baby crocodiles comes in the molting in various stages. So then they fully develop into the adult crocodile. So you can see. So there are the how many stages? There are the 4 stages, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Simply they are reptiles first egg, then from the egg the baby crocodile hatched out, and the several molting process is there up to when the baby crocodile convert into the adult crocodiles. Okay, students. So I hope you understand. We have discussed the different life cycle of the animals. Now, student, you read this chapter very carefully, and next video we will discuss some exercise in next lecture. We will discuss. Okay, students, take care. Bye.